Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have a stitch fix. I'm very excited to share it with you. I asked for cozy. I wanted cozy. That's kind of been my new ask recently, is as we are getting colder and colder, I am just wanting stuff that I feel warm and cozy in, and so that is what I asked for, and I am super excited to dig into this box. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a style service where you fill out a survey, a stylist sends you 5 pieces, you keep what you like, send back what you don't like, and you only get charged for what you keep. There's a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase, and if you buy all 5 items, you get 25% off. If you are interested in trying the service, I do have a referral link that will get you $25 off of your first box. Also gives me a $25 credit, which is awesome. And I think I have a little bit of credit this time because I actually have the Style Pass, I think it's called, where for $49 a year I get unlimited boxes. Well, you know, there's always, you know, a 2-3 week turnaround with the boxes, but no styling fee. And mine just renewed, and so that $49 credit for the styling pass, which is the annual fee for it, does still get applied to anything you purchase. So I've got a $50 credit thanks to the fact I already paid the $50. So I am so excited to dig in here and see what we have. Okay, now I was actually a little disappointed because I wanted this box to be huge, because I wanted it to be big old fuzzy stuff that's huge, but as I pull this out, this does look decently thick in size, so let's dig right in. Okay, first off, we have something with a big old cowl neck on it. What is this? This is the Rosalie shoulder zip cowl neck knit top in taupe. So here we have the cowl neck, we have the zipper on the top here, and there we go, just a nice cozy top, not super thick and not super soft, kind of that, I don't know what to call that inside. It's not the world's softest on the inside, but still a cute kind of lightweight top here. Okay, now this feels soft, sweatery. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. Okay, what are you? This is also a turtleneck by Pink Clover. This is Austyn ribbed turtleneck pullover in taupe again, which I love fall colors in general, including the neutrals, kind of the brownish taupe colors. And here we've got a sideways rib on it, which I do like, and long sleeves and turtleneck. So cute and cozy. So far they are doing well on the cozy. Then we have some jeans by JUDY Blue. We have, this is the Jerri boyfriend distressed jean, and here we go, has a cuff on the bottom, some distressing. So since they're a boyfriend, I'm expecting these to be a little bit slouchy, so I'm excited to try these out. Next piece we have is a pair of leggings. These are cozy fleece line leggings. Now that's my jam. The fleece line leggings I am all about. This is by 151, and the sizing is small/medium. And there we go, just some wonderful fleece line leggings. Actually has a little tie here on the waist, and kind of almost a jogger look to it. So it has a cuff here at the bottom. So legging / jogger, which I think is super awesome. I am very excited to try those on. There's a good chance those are staying. And then, now this I really, really like. Okay, this is by Love ELLIE. It is the Audra side lace up detail texture cardigan in dark green. Now this is my speed for multiple reasons. One, it's kind of a chunkier type sweater. I like a chunkier knit, and it tends to be warmer. This color, it says dark green, I think is the color, but it's almost got a tealish look to it, which is super pretty. And it's got kind of this braided sides here and pockets. We always love a pocket. So I am extremely excited to try that on because I am a fan. So I think for coziness factor, stylist nailed it. Thank you, Nikki. and can't wait to get these pieces on and see if they feel wonderful. So let's get to it. Okay, so I've got 2 of the pieces on, and I am obsessed with this cardigan. This one here. So here's why. Look at the sleeves. Yeah, are those too long? No, they're not. They fit perfect. Look here. Do you see webbing because it's too big? No, it's perfect. And I love the color. Green is, in fact, my favorite color, and I love the tealish tone to it. I like that it has pockets. I mean, who doesn't love pockets? Yeah. And I love that it is a warmer cardigan. I just have too many cardigans that are very thin, don't provide a lot of heat. This is going to be a fall, winter, spring staple for me. So this is going to be a keeper. I can tell you that, unless it's like super expensive. I hope it's not. Okay, so the jeans. I actually really like these. So I have been moving more towards a non-skinny jeans. So straight leg, wider leg, and these boyfriend jeans kind of fit the bill as far as just kind of a little bit of a larger, kind of straighter leg, slouchier look to it. Super comfortable. The waistband is not too big. It all feels really good up here. And, you know, a good fitted here, and then kind of a looseness from here. So I am just really liking these and really happy with this outfit. So what do you guys think? Okay, next outfit. Okay, so now we have the turtleneck top on, and I really like it. I like that it has tighter sleeves to it. They are long enough that I could decide if I want to roll it up or just kind of have a little scrunchy there on the arm. It's not super boxy. So I've got a front tuck going on so you guys can see that look. And then if I wear it out, this is what it looks like. I do think I would prefer it with a front tuck here. So there we go. Feels really soft, comfortable, cozy. Big fan of this as well. Let's give you guys a good look at it. Hi. Okay, so there we go, and last outfit. Okay, so last outfit here, starting at the top again. So we have the zippered neck. So I have it unzippered right now. So let's give you that look. Kind of, you get a cool little asymmetrical neckline there. And then you can even have it kind of partially, I'm just gonna go on my knees here, partially zipped up. Here it is zipped up the full way. Now, when you do have it zipped up, the zipper is touching the neck, and that's not the most comfortable thing, but I think I like the aesthetic of it unzipped. Though I'd love to get your guys' opinions on this. This is one of those things where you guys are super helpful in that. So now the top is a little bit boxy, but obviously it's meant to be kind of an oversized boxy. This is a more casual top than the turtleneck I had on previously, but still super comfortable. Just feel good in this. This is great to wear with a pair of leggings, which I am. Okay, so these leggings are very interesting. Like I said, they have kind of a jogger look to it in the ankles. I didn't even notice before, but it does have pockets in it and then a drawstring here. But it's still very much a legging. So it's a jogger look, legging feel, and I really like these. I love fleece lined leggings more than anything. It's kind of the only pair of leggings I really wear would be the fleece lined. So I like these quite a bit. So what do you guys think of these? So guys, I'm excited because I don't know what this stuff costs, but this does have the potential to be a 5 for $5. Depending on what the prices are, because I really like everything in this box. So let's go over prices. Okay, so I hope everybody is doing well. I can't believe it's November and Thanksgiving is coming up and Christmas. I'm weeks away from putting my Christmas tree up, and I am so excited about that. Christmas, favorite time of the year for obvious reasons. Just absolutely love it, and I'm excited. So anyways, I don't know why I started thinking about Christmas, but I did. So starting at the top, we have by Judy Blue, the Jerri Boyfriend Distress Jean, and this is $58. I really liked these. I don't have anything particularly in this kind of boyfriend look, so I think I do really want to keep that. Next up, we have the Love ELLIE Audra's side lace-up detail texture cardigan, $46. I was really pleased with that price because, you know, I've seen similar sweaters sometimes from Stitch Fix that are 60 bucks, 80 bucks, something like that. So really, really like that. Great fit. There's no way I'm parting with that. So then we have the Cali Rosalie shoulder zip cowl net top, and this is $44, which is a good price for this. Now, this is my least favorite in the box, but I still really liked it. And so we're gonna give this a maybe because I am genuinely considering the 5 for $5. So, which I think I've done like only once. So it's like, it's exciting to even be in the point of considering that. So we also have by Dictionary, the Lyla Utility Joggers, $28. So I love fleece line. I like that they're leggings with a jogger look. These will be keepers because fleece line leggings are my jam this fall. Then we have by Pink Clover, this is the Austyn rib turtleneck top, and this is $50. So I really liked this. This is a probably yes if I do the 5 for $5. So the two kind of taupe tops are the ones that I'm a little bit iffy on, and I'm probably gonna let you guys help me decide. So I will get this posted. I'm actually already rethought my posting schedule so that I can get this posted before I return it, and would love to get your guys' feedback. So my two things I'm considering, which I guess I will give you the 5 for $5 prices here in a second. Two things I'm considering is either getting 3 pieces, which is the boyfriend jeans, the cardigan, and the leggings / joggers, or going for 5 for $5. So the total for the entire box is $226, and if I buy all 5, I get 25% off. That takes off $56.50. So the total for the entire box is $169.50, which is really actually not bad for a fall type box because, again, as the bulkier the clothes, the more expensive it tends to be. Now I also have the $49 style credit, so that would get me more down to 120 bucks. If I bought the 3, I think it was going to put me more around 132 before I took my credit off, so we're talking more in the $80 range. So I don't know what to do. I'd love to hear your guys' opinions. Are those taupe tops worth keeping? Should I go 5 for $5, or should I only keep the 3? I would appreciate your feedback. You guys are always wonderful about commenting, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. I listen to those comments. I take them to heart. They help me make decisions, and I think it's great. The YouTube community is such a fun place. The connections you make with people, and, you know, I'm just happy to be here. So thank you for having me. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. Okay, well, hopefully we will see you in the next video. All right, bye.